Hi, this is PR Sundar, and my YouTube channel, I became active only the last 2-3 months, and your support and your response has been extremely good, and I am nearing 1.8 lakh subscribers. And many people have requested to launch a membership program where they will be paying a fixed monthly payment in return for some premium content. So we are launching. Where can you see the join button? Here you can see the join button. You click on the join button and you can choose 3 levels of membership. Now, why membership? I'm already working very hard, and to make more professional videos, I need to hire people to help me out, and that involves a lot of money, and I decided to give premium content to the people. But however, do not think that I'm shifting all my videos to only memberships. The general educational videos will continue to be free. So whatever videos you have been watching for the last few months, that kind of videos will continue to be free. Only the more premium content, some of my strategies and high risk trades and those kind of things will be shared in the paid membership. So we have 3 levels of membership. One is for learners and students. I conducted a poll in Twitter, and most of you said I should be charging 100 rupees for this category of people. 100 rupees plus GST will work out to be 118 rupees. So there you will be getting some videos to watch earlier than the public. So you will be given priority in watching the videos first. Plus, whenever markets move violently, and I will be giving you a market roundup, how things have moved and what can you expect in the next few days about the trend and everything. Second level is for retail traders, and for them the subscription fee will be 1,199 rupees. And these people will get all the privileges of the student learners videos. In addition to that, I will be sharing every now and then some of the strategies in Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, and I will also be doing a follow-up either through video or through community post. And the third level of subscription is for pro traders who are dealing with large capital, who have high risk appetite. These members will get all the privileges of student learner videos as well as the retail trader videos. In addition to that, I will also be sharing some high risk trades. They are typically high risk and high reward. So you must have seen how I am trading in Reliance Industries. So those kind of trades I will be sharing. Some high risk trades, and I will also consider recording my expiry date trades and to post it in this group. For pro members, we will also be having a question and answer session where I will be personally answering all your questions, and we will do this Q&A session at least once in a month. For people who cannot afford to pay these fees, the subscription fees in any of these groups, do not worry. We will continue to give our educational videos as usual. Thank you.